Hi then guys, it's Ben Gribbin here from applereviews.com. Today we're going to be looking at an application for the Mac called SousChef. Now what SousChef is basically an app designed to help you store, collect and collate recipes all in one place. Basically, the tagline that the SousChef makers have for the app is it's a digital cooking assistant, and that's what it is, because it can help you store recipes, can help you find new and interesting recipes by searching what they call the cloud, which is basically the internet. You've got the ability to kind of tweet, email, blog recipes that you like. So if you've got a food blog, then that could be a really handy feature for you. You've got the ability to pick out ingredients or tell the app what you have for ingredients, and then it'll be able to pick out meals for you. Or you can say, look, I've got I haven't got this ingredient, but I've got another ingredient, and the app should be able to kind of make suggestions as to substitutions. It's got an incredible interface, which I'm going to show you in a second, and also it's got this import facility for importing recipes that you might find on the web. So I think it's probably best to show you this app because it's so good. Anybody who ever does any cooking, which is pretty much everybody, unfortunately, if you don't like cooking, but if you do, then this app is going to make it really easy. So let's go ahead and open up SousChef. I mean, SousChef is an app that anybody can use. If you don't like cooking, it's going to make it a lot easier for you. If you love cooking, it's a brilliant, brilliant app for storing recipes, finding new ones, all that kind of stuff. So here you can see this is the general interface for SousChef. We're under our recipe library. This is an app that I added the other day. It's an app, an ingredient that I really like, a recipe, sorry. So what I'm going to do is first, I'm going to show you how to import a recipe. So we're going to go ahead and find a recipe on the web, and I happen to like Nando's chicken recipes because they're very easy to follow. So let's just load that site up very slowly. Okie doke. Let's wait for the menu to load, that might help. Right, so if we go into recipes, this is not just limited to this website, you can literally do this from any site on the web. And it would appear as though it's not working, which is always good when you're trying to show people something. I think our internet's gone down, perhaps. Oh no, here we go, look. We found some recipes, thankfully. Whew. Okay, so let's go into the recipes. Just click any recipe for now. Side dishes, we'll go with that caramelised butternut squash. So as you see there, we've got the recipe. It looks fairly simple to follow. All we need to do then is we're going to copy this part here. We're then going to go ahead and go into SousChef. Now, if you see down here, there's a button and it says import recipe. Okay. So what it's done there is it's looked at our clipboard and it's already tried to calculate what's going on within that text. So it's created an ingredients box, which is, as it happens, wrong. And then it's got the directions. So that's going to need a little bit of tweaking, but you just see here, all you need to do is you drag these elements around, and that's a very, very easy and cool way of being able to edit your recipes and just insert them so quickly. So the ingredients, all you need to do is drag that one down there. Perhaps we can put the name on as well for this part here. Select, that's the name. There should be one for serves, I believe. But there's loads and loads. No, there isn't, as it happens. Let's just alter this box here. And we can put in time that it takes to make. And then all we need to do is click import. So now you see it's imported our text. It's created an input for the recipe. Now what you can do is, if you want, you can put a description here of perhaps what you think of it, or just in general what the recipe is. You can put who it's from, so let's just put Nando's. We've already got the time inserted from there, and the yields, we'll just put serves for. You can also put in a category, so you could put, in this case, vegetable or chicken, whatever it is, if you can spell. And cuisine, let's just put Mexican. So you can see also here on our ingredients section, we've got this minus and plus button. So if we wanted to add our own ingredients on the fly, all we have to do is just go ahead and type it in. So we might put 1 tablespoon of pepper in addition to the ingredients.